Hey, this is Edu Library. Welcome to our space. Today, on the Autodesk Revit course for construction drawings, you're going to learn how to create railings on the first floor of a two-story residential detached building. You go to your saved drawing file and you open it. Then you go to the architecture tab, and if you scroll down a little bit to your right, you will see the railing tab or menu. If you click on it, you will see sketch path. That is the one we want to do. We want to sketch the path that we want the railing to follow around the stairs. So you just click on it, and this option comes out. So what we have to do is we have to add the railings individually. Okay, so if I zoom in into my level 1, which is the first floor, you always use the level 1, and you can see I want the railing to go this way: 1 left, 2 down, 3 left, to protect someone from falling into or onto the stairs. Okay, so we do this. Just pick the line, the create line command or action here. So click on it, then you zoom in around, zoom into the area you want it, and just click, and then once it's there, you click, and then you accept it. Okay, what I like to do is to open the 3D view and also kind of view it as I'm working. So just like we learned in our previous lesson, you go to view, you go to tile view. So I'm going to delete level 0 first. I only want 2 things showing. So I go to view again, tile views, it turns into a tile. Any drawing I make on my floor plan can easily or will easily show on the 3D view. Then I add the next railing the same way. I go to architecture, I click on railing, sketch path, at the same line option, and then I zoom in a little bit. Let's see where I end the previous one. Just click, and then I want to end around here. I'm just gonna click, and then gonna check that. See, automatically creates it. And lastly, I want to do the same railing, but now to the left. So I can just edit path, or I go back to architecture and choose it again. If I just click edit path, that option comes out. I need to select the line, come back here, click, and then I want it to stop just about there. I'm going to click it and then check. See? Voila. So that's how you create railings. And the simple type that I've used is a 900mm pipe. And there are some options that you can go with. If we just click it, it changes it automatically. But I'm just going to keep it at the 900mm pipe option. Make sure that nobody falls through the railings. You can just zoom out and zoom out of it to return back to the normal view. So you go to view, you click on the tab view, and it returns it to what you had before. 3D separate the floor plan, the first floor plan separate. Keep learning, keep growing. See you next time. Bye.